We're going to be opening up myarray.py in VS Code. So hopefully you remember how to open up VS Code. And if you're on the home screen, you should just be able to go to File and Open. And then you can navigate to the location of where we're at. So you can go ahead and open up this entire Python Fundamentals course folder like this. Perfectly fine, so you can have access to everything. And if you check here in module 16, that's where we're at. And then go ahead and open up myArray. Don't open up myArray solution. Then this will open up the module, and let's take a look through this. You can double click it to make sure it's fully open. And so here are so what I've done is I've provided a skeleton of all of the functions that are to be defined. What you're going to do is fill in the blank over here with the code that needs to be used in order to return the right result. So here, let's take a look. There's this add constant function. And what I've done is I've just given a brief description over here, and then the example really helps you out figure out what happens. Instead of using parameters and returns, I just decided to use an example section in the documentation to show that. So I've showed a simple example. If array is this and constant is some number 3, then this is the expected result. For subtraction, if we have this as the array and this as the constant, then this is the expected result. So as usual, you'll just delete the pass statement, and then we're going to put in the code over here. So I believe there are 9 different functions. Once we've completed all 9, then we will have completed the module. All right, so that's it for opening up the myArray module.